Right, now see the question number 17. Relevant for reducing balance methods. Think depreciation can be calculated by using two methods. Depreciation can be calculated by using two methods. Straight line methods as well as reducing balance methods. Straight line method, there are two equations. Straight line method, there are two equations. But reducing balance methods, cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. That question number 17. Question number 17. There's reducing balance methods. That given trial balance 31st March 25. Given trial balance 31st March 25. That first one thing, how to calculate annual depreciation. We have discussed already straight line basis. I think there are two equations. But now I'm going to discuss reducing balance methods. Question number 17, Balan. You have to know how to calculate annual depreciation and how to record in the ledger account also. It has given trial balance 31st March 25. Motor vehicle cost value is given 1.2 million. And accumulated depreciation also given at the beginning of the year 500,000. Method reducing balance methods. Think not straight line based now. ඒ කියන්නේ asset එකේ benefit එක අඩු වෙන විදිහට හම්බ වෙනවා වගේ පේනවා නම් අපිට. ඒ කියන්නේ මුල් අවුරුද්ද වල වැඩිපුර හම්බ වෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ අඩුවෙන් හම්බ වෙනවා. අන්න එහෙමනම් benefit එක හම්බ වෙන asset වල we have to use reducing balance methods. Think what is the equation? Cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. But recording part same. Given cost value minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. Right there, relevant ledger accounts for the year end 31st March 25. That first one, calculate depreciation and think how to record the ledger account also. Question number 17. Reducing balance methods. Therefore, first one, try to calculate depreciation. Question number 17. Equation cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. Cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. That question number 17. First one, write the equation. Depreciation equal cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. Cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. First one, write the equation. This one, accumulated depreciation. Right, try to calculate depreciation. Think cost value equal 1.2 million. Record values in 1000 to maintain understandability. Cost value equal 1.2 million minus accumulated depreciation is given 500,000. Think cost minus accumulated depreciation, it is equal net book value. Net book value. But cost minus residual value equal depreciable amounts. There's MCQ paper. Cost minus residual value equal depreciable amounts. But cost minus accumulated depreciation equal net book value. Think net book value based on net book value. Depreciation should be calculated under reducing balance methods. Depreciable amounts. Then think net book value. Reducing balance methods. එතන මේ විදිහට apply කරන්නේ benefit එක අනාගතේ හම්බෙන්නේ අඩු වෙන විදිහට වගේ පේනවා නම් අපිට. estimate එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ asset එකේ benefit අපිට මුල් අවුරුද්දේ වැඩිපුර හම්බෙලා ඊට පස්සේ එන්නේ අඩු වෙනවා නම් we have to use reducing balance methods. But straight line methods each year depreciation equal. ඒ කියන්නේ benefit එක අනාගතේ එක සමාන විදිහට හම්බෙනවා වගේ පේනවා නම් we have to apply reducing straight line basis. But think reducing balance method given depreciation rate 20%. This is a net book value. Therefore, net book value equals 700. Rate is given 20%. Therefore, this is the annual depreciation. Annual depreciation. Then two separate ledger accounts: motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Two separate ledger accounts: motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Asset account එකක්. But motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts. Accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle asset accounts. Prepare the ledger accounts. Think how to calculate depreciation, how to record in the ledger accounts. All the business organization available, land, building, motor vehicle like that non-current assets. Therefore, definitely they ask in the paper depreciation. You have to know how to calculate depreciation and how to record in the ledger accounts also. Right. First one, record given balance as BBF. Think accumulated depreciation account balance available. Trial balance is given, record values in million, so 1000. Record values in 1000. And given accumulated depreciation account balance. Accumulated depreciation account balance is given 500 as a balance brought forward credit side. As a balance brought forward 500, values in 1000. Assets, but effect for asset decrease, therefore we can say credit balance. No need to prepare motor vehicle accounts. Then think annual depreciation double entry. Motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit. Double entry motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit as accumulated depreciation. And accumulated depreciation account credit 140 as a depreciation expense accounts. Depreciation expense account debit. Accumulated depreciation account credit. Accumulated depreciation account credit. Accumulated total depreciation asset accounts, but we can say credit balance. Reason effect asset decrease. Then motor vehicle depreciation is expense account should be closed. Expense account should be closed, but accumulated depreciation as a balance carried out. Think debit side increase motor vehicle depreciation expense. Take the same value credit side. Difference value as income statement 140. But accumulated depreciation is asset accounts. Credit side increase 640. Take the same value debit side and difference value as a balance carry down. That value should be recorded as a balance brought forward credit side. Accumulated depreciation. Motor vehicle depreciation is expense account should be recorded under distribution expense when preparing financial statement. But accumulated depreciation asset accounts should be recorded under non-current assets. Cost minus as accumulated depreciation should be recorded this value. Cost minus accumulated depreciation. Prepare the workings. Think there are three equations, two methods: straight line methods and reducing balance methods. You have to know how to calculate annual depreciation and how to record in the ledger accounts. Think cost minus accumulated depreciation equal net book value. But cost minus residual value equal depreciable amounts. They are MCQ paper, depreciable amounts as well as net book value. But then try to answer question number 12 hadana pavu. Question number 12, 15 and 18. Try to complete 12, 15 and 18. Straight-line methods and reducible as methods. Question number 12, then 15 as well as 18. ආපහු ක්‍රම තුන පොඩ්ඩක් මතක කරගමු. There are 4 equation, 3 equation, 2 methods. Question number 12, 15 and 18 try to complete. First one, try to calculate annual depreciation, then record in the ledger accounts. Equation should be written, equation. Question number 12. Statement method is given, percentage also given. Think how to calculate depreciation. Question number 12, 15 as well as 18. හදන්න try කරන්න බලන්න. Statement methods depreciation. Question number 12. Then 15 as well as 18. 3 equation. Write the equation also. Then prepare the ledger account also. Here question number 12. First one, write the equation also. Question number 12. Then 15 as well as 18. Calculate depreciation. 12, 11 for statement methods. 12 statement methods. Therefore, depreciation equal cost value into depreciation rate. Cost value into depreciation rate. But question number 15, given reducing balance method, residual value and useful lifetime. Therefore, cost minus residual value. Cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime. Useful lifetime. Question number 18, reducing balance methods. Think depreciation equal cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. Reducing balance methods. Try to complete question number 12, 15 and 18. Think 18, reducing balance methods. First one, calculate annual depreciation and prepare the ledger account also. Think recording part same, depreciation expense account debit and accumulated depreciation account credit. First one, write the equation and prepare the ledger account also. First one, calculate depreciation and then recording part also. Question number 12. Given trial balance cost value 1.8 million and depreciation rate is given 20%. Question number 12, 15 as well as 18. First one, calculate depreciation, all three, 12, 15 and 18. Right, first one try to complete 12. Question number 12 try to complete. Think cost value is given, record values in 1000. Cost value is given, trial balance 1.8 million. Rate is given 20%. They have think annual depreciation equal 360. Annual depreciation. Then think how to record the ledger accounts, depreciation expense accounts, and accumulated depreciation accounts. Therefore, here motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Prepare the ledger accounts. Think how to calculate depreciation and given balance trial balance. Accumulated depreciation credit side as balance brought forwards. Think how to calculate annual depreciation, then think how to record in the ledger accounts. Then you have to know how to disclose on the financial statement also. They think annual depreciation equal 360, double entry depreciation expense account debit as accumulated depreciation and accumulated depreciation account credit 360 as a depreciation expense. Then think depreciation expense should be closed, but accumulated depreciation balance should be carried out. Balance should be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Then think double entry for annual depreciation. Then depreciation expense accounts close should be included income statement. It is called closing entry, not carried down. But accumulated depreciation is asset accounts. Balance should be carried down. Credit side increase 1080. The difference value as a balance carried down. Value equal 1080. It should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forwards 1080. Think how to calculate depreciation, how to record in the ledger accounts, then think how to disclose on the financial statement. मतलब make out them company गानक हरे sole proprietorship, partnership, any organization, motor vehicle depreciation should be recorded under distribution expense. But accumulated depreciation closing balance, not opening balance. Opening balance this value, it has available trial balance. Financial person under non-current assets as accumulated depreciation should be recorded 1080. Closing balance. Straight line methods, first equation. Complete question 15 also. Straight line methods, but given cost value, residual value, useful lifetime. Not given depreciation rate. The rate cannot be applied now. Rate cannot be applied. Question number 15. Calculate annual depreciation. Think cost value is given 81,000. Residual value is given 11,000. And lifetime is given 5 years. Calculate depreciation. Cost value 81,000 and residual value 11,000 divided by useful lifetime 5. Everything annual depreciation equal 14,000. Annual depreciation. What is the double entry? Motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle account credit. Recording part same. Therefore, here motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Two separate ledger accounts. And record given balances as a BB also. Annual depreciation is expense. Think how to calculate depreciation. Question number 15, given accumulated depreciation also 15. Accumulated depreciation balance equal 42,000. Therefore, should be record balance as a BBF credit side. Try to complete. First one, calculate depreciation. Then prepare the ledger accounts. Think accumulated depreciation is asset accounts, but we can say credit balance. Reason effect was a decrease. Then annual depreciation double entry. Motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit. Accumulated depreciation account credit. Think motor vehicle depreciation expense equal 14,000 expense. Therefore, depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Right, double entry 14,000 motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit as accumulated depreciation, and think accumulated depreciation account credit 14,000 as a depreciation expense. Name of other ledger accounts. Here as a depreciation expense. Motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit as accumulated depreciation, and accumulated depreciation account credit as a depreciation expense. Then depreciation expense should be closed, but accumulated depreciation as a balance carried out. Straight line methods, two equation. Credit side increase 56,000. Take the same value debit side and difference value as a balance carry down 56,000. That value should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forwards. As a balance brought forwards. Then motor vehicle depreciation expense should be closed. Motor vehicle depreciation expense should be closed. Therefore, here as an income statement. State and methods. Complete workings. Then try to answer question number 18 also. Think question number 18 relevant for reducing balance methods. Think about land available, building available, motor vehicle available, office equipment available. Our duty, we are going to provide information. Those assets cannot be used. Think there is a lifetime, there is a useful lifetime. ඒ කියන්නේ ගන්න asset එක හැමදාම අපිට එක විදිහට පාවිච්චි කරන්න බෑ බලන්න. වටිනාකම එන්නේ අඩු වෙනවා. Then it is called depreciation. Think about depreciable amount also. Depreciable amount කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේකට. Net book value කියන්නේ cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost minus residual value equal depreciable amounts. Residual value කියන්නේ lifetime එක ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ විකුණන්න පුළුවන් ගාණ. After useful lifetime it market value. Useful lifetime කියන්නේ benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බෙන කාලය. ගන්න motor vehicle එකක් හරි මොකක් හරි ඒකෙන් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බෙන කාලය අපි කියනවා useful lifetime එක. Right, question number 18. Reducing balance methods. Given trial balance cost value, also record values in 1000 to maintain understandability. Here also values in 1000 to maintain understandability. Right, question number 18. This is equation should be applied to calculate annual depreciation. Cost value equal 1900 and given residual value equal 700. Cost minus residual value divided by, so cost minus accumulated depreciation. This is accumulated depreciation. Think net book value should be calculated. Net book value. Based on net book value, depreciation should be calculated under reducing balance methods. Then rate is given 20%. Calculate depreciation. Therefore, 1200 net book value. Based on that value, 20%. Annual depreciation equal to 240. Annual depreciation. Then vendor account record in the ledger accounts. Two separate ledger accounts. Motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. prepare the ledger account also, motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts, and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Think accumulated depreciation asset accounts. Normal asset account we can see credit balance, but accumulated depreciation, if it was a decrease, therefore we can see credit balance. Accumulated depreciation balance is given 700. First one, record given balance as a BBF. Think motor vehicle depreciation is expense accounts. Expense account, there is no balance. No need to prepare motor vehicle accounts. No need to prepare motor vehicle. Then think annual depreciation equal to 40. Therefore, double entry, motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit as accumulated depreciation, and accumulated depreciation account credit 240 as a depreciation expense. As a depreciation expense, think how to record annual depreciation and think how to calculate. Two methods, straight line methods and reduce imbalance methods. Recording part is not changed. Recording parts, depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Then depreciation expense account should be closed. Debit side increase, take the same value credit side. Difference value as an income statement. It is called closing entry. But accumulated depreciation is asset accounts. Balance should be carried down. Credit side increase. Therefore, balance carried down. It should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forward. Think depreciation. All the business organization available non-current assets. Therefore, you have to know how to calculate depreciation. Think depreciation method also decided by the business based on future economic benefits. The මේකත් අහන MCQ paper එකේ ඒක මේ depreciation method එක straight line base යනවද reducing balance method එකට යනවද කියලා decide කරන්නේ business එක. Based on future economic benefits. If future economic benefits are expected to inflow to the business equally each year, we have to use straight line methods. Asset එකේ benefit එක හම්බෙන්නේ අඩු වෙන විදියට වගේ නම් ඒ කියන්නේ මුල් අවුරුද්දේ වැඩිපුර හම්බෙලා ඊට පස්සේ අඩු වෙන විදියට හම්බෙනවා නම් එහෙමනම් benefit හම්බෙන්නේ we have to use reducing balance methods. Therefore, think how to calculate depreciation also, straight line methods and reducing balance methods. Right, think how to calculate annual depreciation. Two methods can be applied, straight line basis and reducing balance methods. Think depreciation calculation part also, calculation of depreciation also two methods. Normally we have to use depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit normally. But it can be records motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit, motor vehicle account credit also. තව ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා record කරන්න. Depreciation expense account debit, relevant asset account also can be credit. But normally we have to use depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. ක්‍රම දෙකකට මේක record කරන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් අපි වැඩිපුර use කරන්නේ cost depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Think straight line basis. Right, now I'm going to discuss EPF and ETF. Last week I have discussed some example, but I will discuss again some example. EPF and ETF also. EPF as well as ETF. I have given separate tables. Think about EPF and ETF adjustment. Last week also I have discussed basic part. Last week also I have discussed basic part, EPF and ETF. I will discuss again some example. Right from the beginning, I'm going to discuss question number 1, 3, as well as I will discuss question number 5. I think question number 5 also very important. Employee provide fund as well as employee trust fund. EPF and ETF, think all the business organizers and available employees. All the business organizers and available employees. I have discussed last week theory parts. You have to know how to calculate EPF and ETF. Contribution of employer as well as contribution of employee. If this is theory, there are 4 steps to be applied. Think step number 1, net salary paid in cash should be records. Net salary paid in cash. We have discussed more example last week also, but I will discuss again some example. Think net salary cash account credit, salary account debit. Then second step, EPF contribution of employee, salary account debit, EPF payable account credit, and contribution of EPF contribution of employer, EPF contribution of employer, EPF expense account debit, EPF payable account credit. ETF also same way, ETF contribution of employer, ETF expense account debit, ETF payable account credit. Right, 4 steps to be applied, 4 steps. Question number 1, 3 and 5. I will discuss from the beginning. Think question number 1. තාම EPF clean නැත්නම් අල්ලගන්න try කරන්න. මොන ගොඩක් ළමයි වරද්දලා තිබ්බ මෙන්න මේ question number 5 වගේ ගණන්. I will discuss later that parts. මොන last week මම මේක discuss කරේ නෑ. නමුත් මේක දැන් එකපාරම discuss කරන්න බෑ. 1 මම හදලා දෙනවා 1, 3 and 5. Right, see the question number 1. Rate normal way. Question number first one හදන්න ගන්න. මේක ආපහු join වෙන්න.